Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix the problem of full screen problem on Telegram. You should just follow me step by step. In the first, we will go to settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here in this sign, you will search about Telegram and you will click here. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. And you can also clear cache on the application. You will enter here to Telegram. This is the second solution. We will go to Telegram here and you will click. Then this page you will click in this sign and you will enter. Here in this list you will find settings. Then in this page you will go down until you find data and storage and you will click here. And here in this page you will enter to storage usage. You will click here in this window and you will enter. And as you see here, you will click on clear cache. Then we click on clear cache as you see in this sign. After that, you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Telegram and you will click here. Then in this page here, if you find update in this blue sign, then you can update your app. And if it's not working with you all these steps, then you will uninstall your application of Telegram and then you can install it again to fix that problem as you see here. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.